Hello, Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to do a little video walk around here on our Audi e-tron. This has very short miles, just a tad over 2,000 I believe. We'll confirm when we open up the inside and look over the interior. This is the e-tron GT. Overall, the car is in fantastic condition, as you would expect with the low miles. I'm going to just kind of walk around and see if I can find anything I can point out, and we'll go from there. All right, so we're going to start here on the front nose of the car. Looks like it had something that hit right in here on this lip. Looks like it's been touched up, but it is there. I don't see any significant rock pecks across the front. Everything looks good on the hood. Yeah. I don't see any pecks. We come over here to the side. That's just some water spots. You can see this is not all pecked up. I mean, I've got like one little small, if you can even see it, rock peck right there. Overall, the front end's in very good condition. Come around here to the driver's side. On the fender, there's no dings or scratches. The front wheel, no curb spots. No damage. Look down the driver's side on the door. There's no dings or scratches to point out. The rear door, same. The lower rocker. We got here. Oh, that's just a little dust. Looking down the lower rocker here. Nothing that really, nothing that jumps out. Just a little bit of some dirt that just needs to get cleaned up. Looking here at the rear wheel, no curb marks here. The rear fender, no dings or scratches. Just a little gnat there. Coming around to the rear. The rear bumper, I've got one little mark right here. That does appear to be on top of the paint. That will probably buff off. If it doesn't buff off, it can touch it up, but you can see here by using the ballpoint pen to put the size of it in perspective. It's very, very minor. Looking up here on the top of the rear deck lid, no issues here. The carbon fiber here on the back is all in nice shape, no damage. Coming over here on the rear wheel on the passenger side, no curb spots, no dings or scratches on the rear fender, no dings or scratches on either door. Looking at the lower rocker and the lower carbon, no issues here. Just some water droplets. The front fender, couple little gnat there, but got one little rock peck right here that can be touched up. On the tire, or on the wheel, I'm sorry, no curb marks here. I do not see any cracks or stars in the windshield. Taking a look at the carbon fiber roof, everything looks good up here. All right, let's take a quick look at the interior. There's really nothing I can point out on the interior. There's no wear on the bolsters on the seats. The interior shows like brand new. See, there's no issues on the top of the dash. Let's see what the exact miles are. Looks like we are at 1,860 miles. You can see all the trim in here, and the carbon fiber is all in great shape. Just as you would expect with a car with under 2,000 miles. Put these windows down and take a look at the rear seats and the passenger side as well. Again, no issues here at all. Take a look here in the trunk. Open up the case here with the charging cable. You can see that it's here. Take a look here on the passenger rear seat. Everything looks like brand new in here. Sorry for the shadows. We got the sun's out, so I'm getting some shadows here and some lighting that's not the best, but you can see there's nothing I can point out negative on the interior. It's just what I would consider like brand new condition. All right, I'm gonna do one last circle. I went ahead and kind of turned up my exposure a little bit. Looked like the initial video earlier part, exposure was down, and with the shade and the sun and the shadows played a little bit of tricks on the color, but just going to do one last circle around the car again. It's in very, very good condition. Pretty much what you would expect out of a car with under 2,000 miles.